Visualizing the floor plan of my home ahead of time was important to me. Thankfully, Interra Homes made it easy with their interactive floor plan. After logging on to www.interrahomes.com, I found the floor plans page under the Plan and Build tab. I selected my floor plan and clicked on the interactive floor plan button. On the left panel, I chose which level I wanted to work on first. The options panel was where I really had fun. This is where I decided what parts of the base model I wanted to upgrade. In this case, I wanted to finish the rec room. I selected the first floor so I could upgrade with a fireplace and a third stall garage. The furniture panel was great because it really helped me visualize the layout of my future home with furniture. After dragging the furniture graphics where I generally wanted them, I could even use the rotation icon to fine-tune their positions. Finally, I used the notes panel to jot down any final details or information to help Interra Homes build my dream home. I even had the option to share, save, and print my floor plan to reference later or to send to my sales agent. Now I was one step closer to my dream home.